This is Nothing Phone 3A, and today I'll show how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So, first method you can use is to simultaneously press volume down and power keys. Another way you can take a screenshot with is by opening the app that you would like to capture the screenshot of, like let's say settings. Now, open the recent apps list, make sure that the app in question is selected as the main app here. In order to show you that, let me open a few other apps here. So select what app you would like to capture the screenshot of, so settings, as it is in my case, and once it is selected, below its miniature, you'll find the screenshot icon. So tap on it, and as you can see, the screenshot of this app window will be also captured. Now, if you'll go into settings and enter the gestures category here, let's quickly find it. Maybe it is hidden in system. Nope. I thought that you would be looking at the main page to find it. No, it's in the special features. So enter the special features category, go into gestures, screenshot gesture, and switch on the 3-finger swipe gesture. Once enabled, you can also capture a screenshot by making the following 3-finger down swipe. As you can see, in order to find all of your screenshots, simply open whatever gallery app you prefer, maybe Google Photos or the Nothing OS 3.0 gallery app. If you fancy it, of course, go into the albums, collections, or library category. In case of Google Photos in particular, you'll need to open the collections tab. And here you can see that all of your screenshots are being automatically saved and grouped into separate category or folder. So you will find all of them right over there. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye-bye.